Exporting all contacts on the Google Pixel 9 allows you to create a backup file of your contacts, making it easy to transfer them to another device or restore them if needed. Let's jump right in. First, open the Contacts app. You'll see a list of all your contacts here. To start exporting, tap on Organize at the bottom and then select Export to File. Now choose the location where you'd like to save the file. You can choose your Google account for it or save it on your device. For this tutorial, let's choose Device, and after doing that, tap on Export. This exported file will contain all your contacts in a VCF format, which is widely compatible for transferring contacts. You can rename the file if you'd like, but for this demo, we'll keep the default name and save it in the Downloads folder. Once ready, tap Save. A message will appear confirming that the contacts will be exported shortly. To verify, open the Files app, navigate to the Downloads folder, and you'll find your contacts file in VCF format. From here, you can send it to someone, upload it, or use it on a different device as needed. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments or questions below, and good luck exporting your contacts.